and welcome to JavaScript in Less Than 3, where I describe JavaScript concepts in under 3 minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about the different equal signs in JavaScript because this is something that can trip up a lot of people when they first arrive, and it will probably be the cause of a lot of errors that you get along the way. I'm going to cover this under this topic of operators, just so you get an idea of how it works, but it's important to note that this first equal sign, that is just a single equal sign, is used for declaring or assigning values. So for example,
like name equal Anna, const number equals 4.
etc. Right? This single equal sign is only for assigning values. You can't use it to compare values at all. Now, the double equals sign here is what I would call like the loose equals. For example, in JavaScript, there are some things that are considered what's called truthy, and they kind of fall under this category, and it can cause a lot of problems, which is why, generally speaking, you're going to want to stick to the triple equals, but we'll come to that. So, for example, loose equals, if 4 equals 4, yeah, console log, true. Yeah, and it will, true. Yeah, so in this case, even though they are two different types, right? One is a number and one is a string. These will actually evaluate to true. There are loads of truthy values out there, but as I said, it can cause a lot of confusion. So I really do recommend avoiding the double equal signs if you can. The triple equal signs, however, are what we call strict equality. What this means is that they must be absolutely identical. So for example, here, if 4 equals 4 console.log true, this will return nothing. Yeah, because it's, might help if I put the 3 equal signs after just talking about it. It will return nothing because it will evaluate to false, right? So actually, it might be an even better way to do this would be to write this, does 4 equal 4, like this, and then we return false. That's a much nicer way of writing it. So strict equality compares both value and type. And the reason this is important is because down the line you'll find that you come across a lot of errors based on what type you're trying to pass in. A lot of the time you'll think you're passing a number, but it's actually a string. So by using the triple equals, not only are you ensuring that you've got the right type, but you'll also catch things maybe a little earlier than you would have otherwise, and that will allow you to improve your code. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.